So this is the garage. It is currently a mess because I've been organizing and straightening stuff up, so of course it looks worse than it did before. But we are going to completely transform this garage and we are going to make it something usable. So let's get over what we have done and what we need to do. There was a huge cabinet here. I'll put a picture up on the screen, but we tore it down and I want to move all of that stuff. And actually put something up on the ceiling. We just got both racks tore down, fixed a couple small spots in the wall. We have a ton of lumber. We are going to go ahead and clean up. We need to get this stuff out of here so we can make room, because I need to move all of this drywall out from the center of the floor and move it over here so we can actually use this fancy new drywall lift we got. So let's go ahead and do that. We got everything cleaned up in here. We're just not gonna pay attention to this general area that you all can't see right now. Just assume it's clean. But we can go ahead and start getting our drywall lift up, putting drywall up. Well, I'm an idiot. Did not hit record. We took this down, free up some more space, make this whole area feel bigger. So let's get all this wood outside. We'll reclaim it later for other projects, but need this out of the way, get the rest of the drywall up. We got all of the drywall up on the ceiling. We have a few pieces to put connecting to the ceiling there, but we will finish those up. But I want to go ahead and start mudding the main part of the ceiling. It'll give it time to dry. We're just going to fill in crack or gaps currently. We will go back over with some paper. We got everything painted, minus just a little bit of touch-up stuff. And we went ahead and straightened up because this was an absolute mess. So we have new lights to put up because we are running off of our filming lights and we need bright lights for just everyday use. So let's go ahead and get these hex lights put up so we can have some lighting. This is the outer ring. We're gonna have all the hexagons on the inside of this. I went ahead and wired it up so we have a little more light in here. And we basically just use these connectors and plug each other one in, and then it lights up. So now we just have to do that 1,000 more times. So we got the shop all done. We put the drywall up, mudded it. We went ahead and painted it, painted the walls, put lights up, and reorganized how the whole shop is set up. So this will be a lot better workflow, how everything is, and should generally be better for videos. So I need to get back to actually making stuff now that this is done, because this took way too much time. So I'll see you all in the next video.